Hi guys, today we will be make funnel. So like this. So let's start this video. Click file, then click new, okay, then part, click okay. Choose front plane, then sketch. Draw a slot, center slot to here to here. Then provide dimension. This 256 mm and its value 450 100. So it's create like this, then create line here to here, then is concentric to this side, then provide dimension. This point to this point is 150 mm and no need for this, so it's remote value. So one here to here it's 100 mm. Now your sketch is not fully defined, so add relation this to this. Select this and select line and tangent mate, and this also tangent and also this, and but last this also. This is over defined, then delete relation. Just if you check this value ki what is error, so it's move aroundly, it's not an any origin. So click this line, then its origin at relation midpoint, then click its fully defined sketch and click ok. Now or exit in our sketch. So select a front plane, then choose a plane, distance 325 mm, opposite direction to the our sketch. See, click ok. Now this plane, click sketch, draw a circle. Its diameter is 100 mm. Click ok. Now it's exit to our sketch. Now it's hide the plane. So come to the feature. So beyond feature. So click loft base command. Then click ok. Choose first sketch. Then choose second sketch. Click ok. Yes, it's good. Now we need to thickness. Added thickness feature is 2 mm inside of the sketch, but we need to the 4 mm. For strength, it's one side, mid side, two side, mid plane. It's in sketch 2. Now we have 4 mm, 2 mm this side, 2 mm this side, and this side only needed one side, 2 1 and click ok. Now we have shape which this side is ready. Now we need its 20 or 5 to remove this value. So click this face, then command sketch. So click convert entity channel. It's our good. Click edit our sketch, then choose this face and choose a plane approximately 200 mm its length. So click ok. Click the plane, then choose sketch line, draw a circle approximately in this size. Yes, fully defined sketch. Click 60 mm. Now we have designed some other option to also here to here. Need this shape. Choose trim command also like this. delete. So here now we have fully defined sketch. It's 10 mm and choose a center line here to here. Now we have through fully defined sketch. Now we have it's 10 mm, so this value is 5 mm and click OK and its value 2 mm. It's great. And now need to the sketch linear sketch pattern. We need to the circular sketch pattern. Choose any center or circle or defined it value this and this and this. This is pointed to be origin, so deleted and define this origin. Oh, sorry, this value. It's selected. Point to be this. So we need 3 number of quantity. So selected, click OK. Normal to the face. Yes. Now we have need to fully define. So this and this origin to coincident met. Okay. Now we have fully defined sketch. And now need this face. So trimmed this extra entity, this also, this and this. Now we have sketch is ready, so I get the sketch, hide this plane and choose command line, then choose loft command again. This is sketch first and second. This is banded part, so we need to here to here. Please select and rotate. It's not select or manually. Yes, we need to add thickness. About we have thickness 4 mm. Yes, inside of the funnel, but we have don't space, so we have 2 mm. We are at 3 mm depth or thickness. It's so then click OK. Now funnel is also ready. Yes, it's good. Lofted with command, then choose this face, click to sketch, convert entity face, and need to be offset from this sketch 5 mm, but we need to 10 mm approximately, but we need 20 mm. Yes. And this also need deleted this. It's for 30 mm. Yes, it's maximum strength provided. We need to create this sketch separately, then delete this and also delete this. Create sketch, then choose 3-point arc. First point this and second point this also. We need to also this point. Then click OK. Now we have it's need to be tangent from this line and click OK. Yes, it's good. Then feature entry, click extruded boss. Now provide the thickness of this. Okay, it's reverse direction of this, then click OK. And now we have lot of space. And remove any error. This is also like this type. We need to in here stand, need to create select a slot for this position, smooth size. We need to create a center line here to origin of this, and this value is also 340 mm. This length need to be 80 mm and its value 8 mm. And draw a 3D sketch center line. Same size of this circle. Create a dimension 25 mm. Choose trim command, then trim it extra entity. Yes, it's good. Then feature tree and extruded cut on this profile. Yes, it's now ready. Funnel. Lastly, we have provided the some colors. So choose appearance, and also here to here. This coloring about yellow, gray, orange. Yes, it's also not this black water. It's yellow is fine. Then click OK. Now we have funnel is ready. For more video, please subscribe the channel and like. Thank you.